P Square, one and only, as a great successful act. What's your greatest fear?
I think our greatest fear is
no, your own.
Okay, I think my own personality.
Apart from the girls.
Yeah, apart from the girls, apart from the ladies. Okay, my own greatest fear is not to disappoint the fans because they're expecting a lot from us.
And you are Peter, Abi?
Paul.
Okay. We'll talk about that.
I'll say my man is like 3. First of all, I'll say my greatest fear is, of course, everybody's scared of poverty.
Of course.
So I'll say poverty. Then secondly, I'll say people think every group in Nigeria needs in they are together. Tomorrow they are no more together, splitting. No one has to be there.
You don't have to worry about that one.
Worry about that, but sometimes people feel it's possible.
Did they tell you or ask you?
They ask. Even they say it on papers that sometimes we might have a little misunderstanding.
Is it possible?
It's not possible, but sometimes I've read one time that Peter and Paul broke up. I was like, what? People started calling. Is it true? Some fans went ahead even crying, and now because maybe it's because of too much money, maybe it's because of success, and I'll say we are doing all our best not to disappoint them.
You've heard what Peter and Paul said. Peter said his greatest fear is for them not to split up tomorrow like other groups. And Paul said his greatest fear is for them not to disappoint the fans. Mana kita gini na-eme? Kita gini na-emezi? Chineke. Okay, for a while, it is unpredictable. I'm not here to pick side. Manihem chori kubuna ndi okenye na bo Okoye, the elders in Okoye family. Ihele megbunu. Why can't you call these grown men to order? Obiadize kana Igbo enwerozi ndi okenye. P Square, our prestigious sons. They are our global icon. Ha bụ ụmụaka ndị Igbo ji eme ọnụ. Ọ bụrụ na ihere ahụ eme unu, ihere na-eme m. Ihere na-eme m. In Igbo culture, when there is a family dispute, the elders of the family come together and settle that dispute. But these days, when there's a family dispute, everybody brings it on the internet. They bring it on the internet. Do you know that the internet people you are bringing it to, they just want to be entertained. They want to be entertained and you're entertaining them. Many of them are using your family disputes for clicks and views, for engagements. They don't really care. They don't really care. I don't want to pick side because I love Peter and I love Paul. Together, I love P Square. But every unbiased adult who listened to Peter will know that Peter was treated unfairly. He was treated unfairly. And all he's demanding for is financial accountability because he's the one half of P Square. I don't know when Jude became P Square. The only P Square we know is Peter and Paul. That is the only P Square we know. If Peter is feeling cheated in a group that he gave his sweat to, then he has every right to demand for accountability. Both Peter and Paul contributed to the success of P Square. So accord both of them with equal respect. With equal respect.